Good morning. I am Brajesh Gopalan and today I am going to discuss about grid chamber, how to calculate dimension of this chamber. So suppose the capacity of the plant is 10,000 cubic meter per day. It means 10 mld and Q is denoted as a discharge and the velocity, that is settling velocity, is 0.016 to 0.022 meter per second, and in generally we consider the settling velocity is 0.02 meter per second and the horizontal velocity is 0.3 meter per second and the diameter of the particle is 0.2 mm, that is 200 micron. So particle which is settled at chamber is 0.2 mm, and from this data we have to calculate the dimension of the chamber, that is length and width. So Q is equal to 1000 divided by 24 into 60 into 60 is equal to 0.116 meter cube per second. Here it is in meter cube per day, but here it is in meter cube per second. So Q is equal to area into velocity. From this mathematical equation we can find area. So the discharge of the plant is 0.116 meter cube per second and the velocity is horizontal velocity is 0.3 meter per second. So from this equation we have to we can calculate the area, and the area which is gate is 0.385 meter square, and we can assume the depth of the chamber. So we can generally consider a depth from 1 meter to 1.5 meter. So from this equation we can, from this standard we can consider 1 meter depth. So area is equal to width into depth, and area we have already calculated and depth is 1 meter. So from this equation width is equal to 0.385 meter. So we have calculated depth, this is 0.385 meter. So total depth is equal to depth of water is plus freeboard. So depth of water is 1 meter and the freeboard is 0.5 meter. So generally there is a free board considered from 0.3 meter to 0.5 meter. So we have taken here 0.5 meter. So total depth is equal to 1.5 meter. So we can see settling velocity is 0.02 meter per second. This is the standard parameter and we have taken from the Metcalfe book. So settling velocity is equal to depth upon time, and depth is equal to 1 meter and detention time. Time means detention time. So from this equation we can find the detention time is equal to 50 seconds, that is 50 seconds. And the length of the chamber, we have to calculate length of the chamber from this formula. The velocity, horizontal velocity is equal to length of divided by detention time. So horizontal velocity is mentioned here like 0.3 meter per second and length divided by detention time 50 seconds. So from this equation we can calculate length is equal to 0.3 meter per second to 50 seconds, that is 15 meter. So finally we have calculated the dimension of the grid chamber, that is length, width and depth. Thank you.